Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are reviewing Paris Hilton's Vitapod Daily Wellness System. Now, who does not want to look like Paris Hilton? She was the shizzle in the 2000s. So, I have issues with staying hydrated. All right? I don't drink any water, and I thought, I saw this at Walmart. It was $24.99, reduced to $10, and I said, why not? Let's try it out. So apparently these pods have supplements, vitamins, help you glow, has a little bit of caffeine to give you that daily punch. So I thought, let's try it out. Here's the supplement backs.
3 different flavors that come on the box. As you see, beauty, hydration, and energy. So let's open them up and take a look how this thing works.
Test it out. So the 3 flavors is Radiant Rose, Tropical Cloudberry, and Pink Lemonade. So let's open it up. I mean, if this doesn't work, at least we have a nice little bottle. So let's see the bottle. I'm gonna stand up for this. Oh, so here's the pods, and we get 6 in the box.
There's the instruction on how to work it.
And we'll go through it together.
You load it, you twist it, and you shake it.
How cute is the packaging? Oh, Paris. And let's see the bottle. Oh, cute.
That's a nice size bottle.
It is. The color is poolside blue.
It's got a little strap to carry around, and it's got the little thing for the sipper. The other way, I guess.
Pop it up.
So then you suck.
Sucky, sucky. All right. So, as I said, I try to stay hydrated. I fill up my bottle. I was using a Contigo from Costco. Just water. And it's full. So, let's test this one out.
Are you gonna rinse it first?
Yeah, I'm gonna rinse it. Okay. But just to show you the inside of it. That's where the pod goes, I suspect. There's instructions and the pod stuff here.
The book of pods. There's a little bag here.
Healthier family. Oh, recycle all of the packaging.
Paris really does care.
She cares. First things first. Branding is on point with Paris. Let me tell you. The whole system is really cute. It's so on brand. So it's a daily wellness system. So every pod has its daily, what would you call it?
I guess you
daily effects.
You take a pod on how you want to feel that day. If you
That's
want to work on your beauty, if you want to work on your hydration, and if you want to work on having a bit more energy. Maybe only that one has the caffeine in it, and I'm not sure. It's 200 milligrams as far as I know.
And also the energy and the beauty does have dietary supplements in those. So I would think the hydration has nothing else. So let's get to it. All right, so I'm gonna pour some water in here. The water I did not drink this morning.
And that's another thing. We don't know how much water this thing holds. It holds more than what you just used, I guess.
Yeah, it did.
Yeah, a little more. So that's good.
All right.
And let's open the pods up, see what they look like.
And
it should be pretty simple to do. You load it, you twist it, you shake it, you suck it.
And the pods are good for two uses.
So how many pods are there? 6 or 3?
There is 6 pods.
So 2 of each.
Yep. Look how cute the branding is. Paris Hilton.
So which are you trying?
I am gonna go with
pink lemonade.
Pink lemonade.
So that's the energy.
I need some energy today. So pop this part off. you place in the pod.
Hey, we're all learning here.
And you pop it back on.
There we go. I'm sure Paris doesn't even know how to do this.
And then you put it in, close it up, and then
Oh, I heard the crack.
now it cracked open, I think.
Shake.
And now we shake.
Cocktail style. Yeah.
Cocktails and dreams,
Everybody
baby.
knows little place called Kokomo.
All right.
Now it's time for the taste.
Tasty, tasty. All right.
Was it worth all that effort? Let's see.
Oh, it smells good.
We did have a video of the scented pods.
Yeah,
Which
was a fail.
Was a failure. So this is a tasting one. It should be good. And
It smells good.
And for $9, we got a bottle at least out of it.
Yeah, a really cute bottle.
Yeah.
I'd bring this on vacation.
And it's gonna stay cold for 12 hours. Without further ado, let's try the pink lemonade.
It smells good. Ooh. Boy, that's sweet.
You may need more water.
I might need more water, but man, that tastes good.
Do you taste caffeine in it?
No. No, not at all. It's like a sweet pink lemonade. I'll be drinking this. Here we go. We went with pink lemonade today. Pretty good. I don't know if it's gonna give me more energy or not, but we'll see. But all in all, the pods taste good. The bottle's really
The
cute.
product is sturdy.
Yeah.
It's well made.
Well made, and for, $9, it was pretty good. Pretty good. Look at her pretty little face. So yeah, guys, if you see it and it's on sale, I would buy it. I'm gonna be drinking this all day. It's 2-time use, so great. And enjoy. Like and subscribe. Bye.